body of movement. So we're going to look and see right now if you can utilize your body the right way to protect itself. So what we're going to do is break down the TPI, that's the Titleist Performance Institute's body screen, and we're going to pick out 4 of the 16 body movement tests to see, again, are you protecting your body the right way? So what I'd like you to do is cross your arms in front of you, get into your iron stance, and I want to see if you can tilt your pelvis upward and downward. What this is actually testing is, can you utilize these muscle groups to control your pelvis tilting anteriorly and posteriorly? So I want you to try and do that movement. The second one is get into that same position. I want you to rotate your lower extremity without moving your shoulders. This is testing your ability to rotate. It's controlling these segments separate from each other. The third is rotating your shoulders without moving your hips. Again, we're trying to see if we can separate lower body from upper body, and that comes from the ability to control your core. Hands together, straight up in the air. Extend one leg, make sure your knees stay in line with each other. Lift up your butt from the ground 10 times. What we're trying to make sure is that your hamstrings don't cramp on you. Try to make sure that you get up to 10 at a decent pace, and that it's relatively controlled. This would not be controlled. If you do get a cramp in your hamstrings, that's a fail. That's indicating that you actually do not know how to contract your glutes appropriately. So go ahead and do this test. I know it involves getting down onto the ground, but make sure you do this. We see this a lot, especially when you don't know how to utilize your core to take care of your back. Your core includes your glutes. Make sure you do this one. So again, work through those 4 tests. That's going to let you know, can you actually engage and separate and utilize your motor control? That's a fancy term for connecting your brain to your muscles. Can you utilize your motor control within the correct segments to help protect your back? I look forward to seeing you in segment number 2.